Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be giving you some tips on how to fix black screen issue in your device Samsung F41. So if you're having any trouble like white screen and grayscale screen in your device Samsung F41, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know whenever I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how to fix black screen, grayscale and white screen issue in your device.